Hi, in this video I will explain shortest path programming exercise in NetSim. NetSim programming lab has been designed to provide hands-on network programming skills to students. The labs come with a GUI where students can first run the experiment in sample mode and subsequently link their own code and visualize its working. Programs can be written in C and the executable can be linked to NetSim. The objective of shortest path is to find the shortest path between source router and destination router. There are two modes. In sample mode, the shortest path algorithm code is already written in the backend and NetSim will execute that code. In user mode, this algorithm will be written by the user and linked to NetSim. In this algorithm, I will select link state. The number of routers I will set as 5. Source router is 1 and the destination router is 5. Then in this right side pane you have to set the distances between the routers. So in order to set the distances, you need to click on the one router and the other router and give the distance. So this is my network scenario and these are the interconnection among the routers with the following distances in between them. Now let us click on run. As you can see, link state algorithm will be executed to find the shortest distance between source router 1 and destination router 5. So here among multiple paths, the path displayed in green color indicates the shortest path between router 1 and router 5. So if you calculate the distance, you can see 10 plus 5 plus 2, which is 17, is the shortest distance. This is sample mode. For user mode, the user needs to write its own code and link with NetSim. For that, first the user needs to understand the concept of shortest path. So we have given this link concept, algorithm, pseudocode and flowchart, whereby the user can understand the concept of shortest path. Then for easy implementation in C, we have already provided the interface code. So the student needs to implement his or her own code in this area. Write your own code here. Now to run with user mode, we need a exe or a jar file. So to create an exe file, we will be using Visual Studio. I will now show you how to create an exe file in Visual Studio from C code. So now I have opened Visual Studio 2010. I'll go to File, New, Project. I'll select Win32 from under Visual C++ and Win32 console application. I'll give a name shortest path. Then I'll select empty project and I'll create a console application. Now in the source files, right click, add new item, and here I'll select C++ file, but in the name I'll give shortest path dot C. You can give any name, but make sure that at the end it is .c. So first I'll copy the interface source code in my shortest path. And now write your own code here. I need to implement the Dijkstra function. Presently I already have the code. So what I'll do is I'll copy that part and paste it here. So now the student, after writing the code, will create an exe. For that I have to go to build solution. So you can see build 1 succeeded is displayed. Now my shortest path exe file will be created in the default path, which is in my documents. So inside debug folder you will get the exe file, shortest path application. So I'll go to NetSim, click on user, and I'll link this file. And I'll create the same scenario once again. And now if I click on run, NetSim will run the user code, that is the code just now I have created. So now you can get the similar result, that is the shortest path between router 1 to router 5 is 10 plus 5 plus 2, that is 17. So this is how programming exercises are being performed in NetSim. Thank you.